You can fill your triangle with molar feathers starting from one of the corners. You can then move upwards or downwards. Let's look at upwards first. You can use an even or an uneven amount of feathers, and that is depending on your personal style and the size of your triangle. Start with a relatively small feather and curve around it as much as you can for the second one and lay it almost against it. Place your third. You do not need to move all the way back to the corner that your design originated from. The last feather can be a little bit tricky, but add a little curl in there to fill the available space. You can, of course, also curve down with your feathers. In that case, it can become a bit tricky if you want to fit a certain amount of feathers in your shape. This is how I tackle that issue. Divide the base of your triangle into 4 equal parts. These are the white dots. Then move those white dots over ever so slightly to the left. Because we are starting from the left, I'm moving them to the left. These are our red dots. And these are the red dots I will be using for a reference of the size of each of the feathers. Why do I need the last one to be the biggest? Well, I need to curve all the way around the others, and that is a bit difficult if you have a small space to work with. So the last one needs to be the biggest along the triangle base. You will have some space remaining at the top of your triangle. Fit another molar feather in there and finish it off with a curl.